Today, I want to show you the correct backpack settings. The first step is to loosen all the straps and lift the bag from the handle and put it on your leg. Then you have to put your hand inside the strap and grab the bottom part of the bag. Then put the second hand inside it and bend your back until the bag reaches your waist and close the bottom strap of the bag. Now the top strap is loose and the pressure is on the bottom strap of the bag. Tighten the top strap to balance it. To walk uphill, you should tie 2 knots above your shoulder like this picture so that the bag is on your back, and loosen it to go down so that the pressure is less. I will show you how to clean the dish. I take the squeegee and the brush, and the first thing I do is clean the bottom of the dish with the squeegee. I scrape the contents of the container as much as I can. Then I put a little soil in the container and scrape it with a squeegee. Then I remove the soil and clean it with a little water and plants. After doing this, we can pour water again and put it on fire to kill the germs. I wait a while until the water boils. You can usually use this method in camps and trips. Do this with the least possible means to save water. In the last step, remove the water from the container and clean it with a paper towel.